Tired of construction chaos turning your projects into a stressful juggling act? This video is your express lane to mastering Buildertrend, the construction management software designed to bring order and efficiency to your business. First, let's tackle project scheduling. See how you can visually map out your entire project timeline. Drag and drop tasks, assign them to team members, and set dependencies. This ensures everyone knows what needs to be done and when. Next up, client communication. Buildertrend offers a centralized hub for all client interactions. Send updates, share photos and documents, and answer questions all in one place, keeping your clients informed and happy. Change orders are inevitable. Buildertrend simplifies the process. Easily create and track change orders, get client approvals digitally, and automatically update your project budget, eliminating costly misunderstandings. Now, let's talk money. Buildertrend's budget tracking feature allows you to monitor expenses, compare actual costs against your estimates, and identify potential overruns before they become major problems. Use the reporting to analyze trends. Finally, let's unlock the power of reporting. Generate insightful reports on project progress, budget performance, and team productivity. These reports provide valuable data to improve your decision-making and profitability. Use these reports to streamline the project from end to end. So there you have it. This is just a brief overview of what Buildertrend can do for you. Dive in, explore the features, and start streamlining your construction projects today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more construction management tips.